Hi, my name is Blair, and I work with Nancy here at Towel, and I am a production manager for Juicy Couture. I wanted to tell you a little bit about what it takes to be a production manager and what the job involves. First, I would start off by saying the main responsibility and objective of a production manager is to ensure on-time delivery of a product which meets all quality requirements at a cost that meets the company's targeted profit margin. There are various steps in the process to assure these objectives are met. The following steps are major steps in the process. The first step would be creation and implementation of a development and production calendar. There's also the development process, sourcing and costing and order placement, time and action management and work in process management. There's also quality assurance and testing, and then the shipping and delivery. First, in the calendar development stage, I would work with design and sales in order to create a time and action calendar that outlines when each of the stage of development and production needs to be initiated and needs to be completed in order to meet the desired delivery date. During the development stage, I would work with design to help pinpoint costing challenges or safety issues in order to avoid issues later on. I would also work with sales to find out all retailer and brand requirements such as labeling, hang tags, and other issues such as shipping procedures. Once completed, I would move on to sourcing and costing stage. Packages will be sent to factories which have been determined to be appropriate for that particular product. This is based on costing, capacity, and previous performance, etc. Once all costs are negotiated and considered, all orders will be placed with the best choice. After orders are placed, the main focus is to monitor the time and action calendar that we had put in place to ensure the factory is making the appropriate progress. Factories submit work in progress reports, also known as WIPs, in order to be reviewed and to help resolve any timing issues that arise. As the fabric becomes available and the garment construction begins, various quality and safety inspections and tests will be performed. These can range from internal standards to retailer standards and also include testing to U.S. and international testing regulations. Once goods have been completed and have been inspected, tested for quality, the goods will be processed for shipping. I will work at this point with factories and freight forwarders in order to find the most suitable and cost-effective shipping method based on our delivery needs. Once the goods arrive at the port, they are transported to the appropriate warehouse facilities where they will be processed accordingly. The shipping process also requires that I facilitate the processing of the proper documentation in a timely manner to ensure that issues with customs don't arise. And that's a basic overview of my responsibilities as a production manager here at Towel Associates. Thank you.
Great.